the liner is the greatest task. Like they skip it. Applying a liner just opens up your eyes and just becomes a game changer and like आपके eye को बहुत enhance करता है. मैं काजल लगाऊं या ना लगाऊं, if I apply a eyeliner ना तो that works very well. And if you know the tricks ना, with this eyeliner you can apply your like आप eyebrows भी कर सकते हो perfectly. So apart from that Amoz, I'm gonna tell you how simply you can just nail the eyeliner. So stay tuned with me. Hello, welcome to Amor. Amor is you, Amor is me. So let's spread little love during this tough time. Your pal is back with another video. So Amoz, I'm gonna tell you how you can simply nail the eyeliner game and you can change it. Like आपको इतना जो हर्स वर्स लगता है तो वैसा नहीं लगेगा, but आज के बाद you will feel that you can apply the liner easily. So for applying eyeliner आप जेल eyeliner से लगा सकते हो, आप पेन लाइनर से लगा सकते हो, आप ऐसे लिक्विड लाइनर से लगा सकते हो, आप किसी से भी लगा सकते हो, whichever you are comfortable with. ऐसा नहीं कि मैं लिक्विड लाइनर से लगा रही हूँ तो आप भी लिक्विड लाइनर लगाओ एंड उसमें कंफर्टेबल नहीं हो फिर भी लगा रहे हो. जैसे कि मैं आई एम नॉट गुड विद द पेन लाइनर्स. मतलब बहुत लोगों को इजी लगता है पेन लाइनर्स बिकॉज उसके जो टिप है पेन के तरह है, यू कैन यूज इट स्मूथली, बट आई एम नॉट कंफर्टेबल विद. मैं जेल लाइनर में कंफर्टेबल हूँ. आई कैन यूज विद दिस, मतलब जो बेसिक लाइनर्स होते हैं उस पे आई एम वेरी कंफर्टेबल. सो अभी तो मैं आईलाइनर लगाऊंगी तो मेरा तो हेयर ओपन है. सो नाउ व्हाट आई विल डू इज दैट आई विल जस्ट क्लच इट डाउन. सो नाउ आई एम टेकिंग द आईलाइनर एंड नाउ यू कैन सी द लोअर वाटर लाइन and you are seeing the end of the eyebrows like over here. Okay, just in between आपको वो wing you have to draw it. Like उतना आपको conscious नहीं रहना है, like you have to do it very perfectly. नहीं, दो eyeliner कभी perfect उतना हो ही नहीं सकता. But we try to make it very clean. But beginners friendly है ना, तो हम लोग beginner look के लिए मैं specially बोल रही हूँ. Like just draw the fling up draw करो. Just the first time itself. Like उसको over draw नहीं करना. I've drawn it. Now what I will do, बहुत जन क्या करते हैं, like they draw the eyeliner from the inside, like they start from the inside, but don't do that. So after making this fling, now what you have to do is that don't go in the inside of the, like don't start with the inside corner, like inner corner से don't start with it because you have more products in it. So we will start with the from the middle. I do it from the middle. Because there I need the, वहीं पर जो most है वहाँ पर I need the eyeliner the most. Okay. Then जो भी left over जो product होगा I will take it down. See, I have drawn this line from the inner corner of my eyes. And then I will take down. So now here what I am doing, see I have joined this two. And then you have to fill in. Also make sure that कि when you close your eyes ना तो वहाँ कोई gap fill, मतलब जो गैप विजिबल ना हो. ओके, मेक श्योर दैट यू फिल दैट गैप बिकॉज व्हेन यू क्लोज योर आईज ना एंड दूर से तो आपको कुछ भी नहीं पता चलेगा, बट अब क्लोज कोई रहता है तो तब पता चल जाता है कि दैट इट्स वेरी क्लमजी और बहुत ही ज्यादा हैफिजट लगता है, लाइक इट्स नॉट वेरी क्लीन. सो दैट इज द परफेक्ट वे, लाइक व्हेन यू आर अप्लाइंग इट जस्ट बी लिटिल क्लोज इनफ. And then you have to fill it. And this is a basic simple liner. This is how you can do your wig. It depends upon you कि you want your eyeliner to ज़्यादा middle से, like you don't want, you have to keep a balance. Okay, जहाँ पर आपका जो मिडिल पोर्शन है आपके आईज का, वहां से आपका जो है ज्यादा मोटा भी नहीं लगना चाहिए बिकॉज वहां से यदि एक मोटा ज्यादा हो जाता है तो सामने से वो ज्यादा थिन हो जाता है. देन अगेन यू ड्रॉ इट, देन अगेन आपको वो ओवर ड्रॉ बार बार करने से वो क्या होता है कि यू मेक मिस्टेक एंड वो बहुत क्लमजी हो जाता है. एंड इफ एट ऑल आप मिस्टेक करते हो तो डोंट वाइप इट इन दी वेट. लाइक ये अभी क्या है, ये वेट में है तो सो डोंट ट्राई टू वाइप नाउ. सो थोड़ा सा वेट करो कि वो थोड़ा सा ड्राई हो जाए. आफ्टर दैट यू विद अ नॉर्मल क्लॉथ आप उसको यू जस्ट वाइप इट. ओके, तो वो आराम से निकल जाएगा. सो जब आईलाइनर बहुत वेट है, डोंट वाइप इट. डोंट, ट्रस्ट मी, डोंट. वो बहुत लाइक पूरे आपके आईज में ब्लैकिश हो जाएगा और देन फिर उस पूरा मेकअप को हटाना पड़ेगा. जो आपका जो वाटर लाइन है, you have to just be in that place, nothing else. If you think that you don't carry your mascara, just with this eyeliner itself, just draw the flakes. So God has not gifted me with the good eyelashes like Voluminous, Linden, जो भी होता है वो वैसा eyelashes तो दिया नहीं है. So you can do that. Wiggle करो. One more tip I want to share with you is that कि just don't close your eyes while you are applying a eyeliner. So you are not able to see it ना, जैसे wink कर रहे हो. Completely close करके तो आप नहीं लगाओगे, just wink कर रहे हो. तो don't do that because उससे क्या होता है, you can't see the lining of your eyes या base जहाँ पर है, you can't see that. Okay, वो complete visible नहीं होता है. So just open your eyes, just be relaxed and then just apply it. So the same thing I will be repeating in the another eye with another trick. So let's see. Another thing I have forgotten to tell you that shake your eyeliner first. Don't take the excess, clean the excess. Just make a see. I have drawn this area. Okay. Now what I like to do is that, so see here I am not applying from the middle part of my eyes. यहाँ पर मैं क्या कर रही हूँ, I am applying from the side portion. I will look down. I have started from the outer corner. Just try to be as close as your upper waterline. And now I will be showing you how to draw a front wing. To draw the front fleek, what you have to do is that take a very thin amount of the product, just following your eyes, just extend it. Just open your eyes. You have to look wide open. आपको अपने eyes को wide open रखना है. See the eyeliner over here. So now with that coordination, what you have to do? Just make a small triangle. Just that's it. See. Just draw a light fling. Like the same way you have drawn this fling. Here what you have to do, just one swipe, that's it. Now with the same eyeliner, I am applying the kajal. So now with the same tip, I will line my lower waterline. I will just not draw in the waterline, just below the waterline, okay? Because if you apply in the waterline, it's watery, so there's a chances that it will smudge. Just following the way. That's it. So see, I've completed my eye look just with this eyeliner. Just not applied any kajal, nothing, just with this eyeliner. So if you see that there's any gaps, just fill it with any eye pencil, kohl kajal, and just mark it in the waterline. And make sure you apply a kajal which will not hamper your eyes. Don't compromise in kajal and eyeliners. Just see, look up, wide open your eyes. Just apply it. So eyes are incomplete without mascara. See, I've done both the other eyes. This you can carry out with an Indian look, and if you are wearing a very nude lip color, you can add a very bold kajal, and this you can carry out and like you're partying, you're like going out, you're chilling with your friends. You can just see both the face, you will have a different look. You can add a kohl also with this look. Just take a kohl pencil. What I do, I just like to draw. That's it. Now with this little finger, I like to smudge it. Till the middle of my eyes, like. Just dab it. Just that's it. So your eyes are incomplete without mascara, so you can apply a mascara or you can skip it, or you can use this eyeliner. I have shown you that you can use it as a mascara, and that's it. You are completed with the look. I've already shown you. So you don't have to carry the tons of product with yourself. Just with this last wand, like this wand, this portion of the wand, what you do, you have the product there. Now you just wiggle it. Same thing what you have to do, you have to just roll it down. So if I don't have a mascara handy with me, I just do this. So this is how I have completed my both the eye look. I have tried to cut it down very simpler for you, and this is how I do it. This is my own way. Just be calm, don't stress out, just relax and do it. Makeup is fun. You make mistake, it's okay, fine. The first day you will make mistake, the second, third, fourth, fifth, पांचवी बार तो आपको तो हो ही जाएगा. So this is what you need to practice a little bit, and that's it. And then you are good to go. Don't forget to give a thumbs up, and don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to press the notification bell, so that you get notification whenever I post a video. Till then, take care, love you, miss you. Bye.
Bittersweet melody when I dance on your fly, 'cause I know what you done.